Hi, Chef Joe with Healthy Kids Inc. and today we're going to be making barbecue turkey joes and baked onion rings. Alright, so the very first thing we've done is set up a breading station. We've got our onions prepped ahead of time, cut them into rings. I've got just a little bit of flour just to give them a light coating. We've got some buttermilk, and then we have our breadcrumb and cornflake mixture over here. And you can season each of these layers if you'd like with a little salt and pepper. It never hurts. But the first thing you want to do, like I said, is just kind of lightly coat them in the flour. That's going to help everything else to stick. You're going to knock off most of the excess. So we're giving them a quick dredge. I'm going to do these in batches. And into the buttermilk. Buttermilk is a little thicker. It's a little bit more acidic too, so it's a little bit more of a bite to it. You can kind of notice the flavor difference even in breadings. A few at a time. I'll throw a few more in to dredge. You can transfer them over to the breadcrumb mixture. And get in there and kind of sprinkle some over the top. You can press them down a little bit and onto the sides. Get them nice and coated. And we've sprayed a baking sheet with a little bit of non-stick spray just to make sure that these don't stick, and begin to lay them out. Alright, so we're going to pop these in at 400 degrees for 10 minutes, flip them over, and then give them another 10 to 12. We'll check these out in just a little bit. Okay, so now we're ready to start cooking our turkey for our turkey joes. So I've got our pan heated up. I'll start to brown up our turkey. Season with a little salt. Fresh cracked black pepper. Okay, so once your turkey has browned, you want to drain off all of your excess fat. I'm ready to do now. Okay, so now we can go in with our vegetables. We're going to go in with our onions, a little bit of garlic, celery, pepper, let those start to soften just a little bit before we add the rest of the ingredients. I'm going to season this, salt, a little bit of pepper. So once your vegetables start to get soft, then you can go ahead and begin adding in the rest of the ingredients. So the first thing I want to add is a little bit of all-purpose flour. Stir that into your vegetables. That's going to help thicken our sauce that we're about to make. Go in with ketchup, Worcestershire sauce, a little bit of vinegar, and we're going to use some Coke Zero. Pull all this together, make sure you get everything mixed up. We're going to let this come to a nice simmer. It'll start to thicken up. You cook it down and let it reduce a little bit. just means we're going to cook off some of the liquid. And then we're going to add our turkey back in. And we will be ready to go. So we're going to check on our onion rings in just a second and see how they're doing. Bring the heat up on this and let it get working. A few more minutes on those. Okay, so we've cooked our sauce down, and kind of on the fly here, I think what I'm going to do is we've got some larger pieces of vegetables and things in here. I think I'm going to throw this in either the food processor, or I'm going to use my immersion blender and just kind of pulse this up until it becomes smooth. That'll kind of incorporate the veggies a little bit more and hide them, so maybe the kids won't know that they're getting so many vegetables in their turkey joes. So we'll do that, we'll add it back to the pan, and then we'll add our turkey, let it all come together, and then we'll assemble those and show you the finished product. So let's go blend this up real quick. And our turkey, stir this to combine, and then you're ready to throw these on the buns. Alright, and there you have it. We're going to plate this up and we'll show you the finished product in just a couple of minutes.